Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Desiree Lee, and in this video, we're going to talk about the platforms to market your book. The reason why I wanted to create this video is because some authors or self-published authors are under the misconception that the only way that you can really promote and stand out with your self-published book is with Facebook and also with Instagram or YouTube ads or Amazon ads, and that is not true. We have to get creative, especially if you don't have a huge team behind you, but we are forced to get a little bit creative when reaching more readers in order to get our books in the hands of more people. If you guys definitely want more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe. That is going to tell me, hey, look, bring more videos like this because you give us step-by-step directions on what we can do to move forward. All right, so platforms to market your book. All right, make sure before we get right into it, make sure you guys are texting publish now to get notified. The phone number is 404 341 0701. So make sure you guys are clicking that button to get notified every time that I go live or bring information just like this. Social media advertisement platforms. Okay, so outside of just Facebook and Instagram, YouTube, etc., here are some social media platforms. I hope you guys are screenshotting your screen right now, so that you can definitely go to the platforms and definitely create some campaigns and or advertisements for your book. Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, Goodreads, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and more. These are just the few of them, but if you're interested in learning of all the platforms, make sure you guys are clicking the link in my bio for the bestseller and book marketing playbook that will aid you in telling you step by step on how to use each platform. The next one is where you can find your books at, especially if you have a book trailer. Now, the streaming advertisement platforms is for those who have a book trailer around their book, right? So it's not just you just taking a picture of your book or having a reader taking a picture of it and just posting it somewhere on the platforms above and then putting advertisement dollars or starting a campaign around that. But what if you have video, like a video testimonial, book review video testimonial? What if you have a book trailer and so forth? You can you literally use Hulu, which everybody is streaming videos right now, Prime Video, which is Amazon Prime, Spotify, Apple TV ads, YouTube ads, and somebody probably have not thought about this just yet, is movie theater ads. Movie theater ads are very cost efficient right now because everybody is streaming. However, the movie theaters, especially AMC, they also have streaming platforms too as well. So you can advertise on the streaming platforms of what book you have coming out, if it's a pre-launch, if you already launched a book, if you have an event in that area, whatever the case may be, you definitely want to make sure that you utilize that too as well. All right. Last but not least, we have media advertisements. So media advertisements is thinking outside of what social media is, which is blogs, magazines, newspapers, and also Groupon. With blogs, you can do a book blog tour. There are bloggers who just talk about what books are coming out. Some of them do interviews. Some of them have different questions than just the regular questions you have. You have magazine placement. You could be at the back of the magazine, especially like the Cover Girl or Essence magazine and so forth. You can buy that spot, and or magazines can put you on the cover and do an ad. Podcasts, there are platforms that you can definitely use for podcasts too as well. If you want those, make sure you guys are clicking the link in the description so that inside of my playbook with the book marketing playbook, we do give those websites that you can just simply go straight to and know exactly how to use them. Also, we have newspapers. Newspapers is not just the newspapers that you buy on the stand or on the corner, but we have newspapers that you also online too as well, and Groupon. You can do Groupon advertisements. What a lot of self-published authors do not realize is that you may not have an audience starting off. Maybe this is your first book, your second book, and your audience is not huge enough, but you want to borrow someone else's. And so with Groupon, we already know in every city, every state across the world that they have an email marketing list. So I hope this is definitely beneficial to you. If so, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you know, I'm open to your suggestions as well. So maybe you know of a platform that was not mentioned outside of social media that we can definitely use. I'm sure other authors will greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Desiree Lee, your #1 self-publishing consultant. And if you want a one-on-one with me, click the link inside of my description and book it today. Don't forget to text Publish Now to 404-341-0701. Thank you. Subscriber, then you already know how this thing goes. And if you're new, welcome. I am Desiree Lee, and here on this channel, I provide advice for aspiring authors and also self-published authors to help you expand your reach. Make sure you guys subscribe and click that notification button. Give this video a thumbs up if anything is inspiring to you. The best way to lose